The way to use AI for a competitive advantage is having AI as your research assistant or your copy editor and your brainstorming partner. And the reason I say that is you can take work that you've done in the past and with ChatGPT create kind of your own my chat or my GPT and say, okay, here is my tone, my voice. I want this topic that I'm going to be speaking about to have that information. And these are the keywords that I use. You can say, okay, what are the topics right now in this industry with the keywords that I want and with my voice? And it'll pop out 10 things you should talk about. Then you can go and look, wait a minute, that's not completely correct. Or, oh, that's a new take on something. Then you can go in and do some research, and there's AI tools that will help with that as well. You can figure out what's currently being talked about or what's a unique spin on something. Instead of having to spend tons of time doing multiple searches yourself on all the different search engines, trying to find that one unique thing that might not be covered, ChatGPT goes and does that for you. It does all the different searches and then pulls it all together, and that you then check its work and say, oh, okay, no, that's not right. The best way to use AI is you have a strategy for your business and for your presence. You identify that strategy and these are the goals, and you feed that in as your baseline for your my chat or my GPT. And then it operates as your personal assistant. So you're able to get things done a lot faster. You can also verify any assumptions you might have. There's a lot of power with AI when it's used as a research tool to help you be more productive. There's ways to misuse it, but I think using it as part of your strategy to bounce ideas off of is a great way to finish what your thinking is and get information together so that when you sit in front of your board or you sit in front of your other executives, you have a better idea of how you want to communicate. And then they can come in also and go, wait a minute, what have you thought about this? Or have you thought about that? It's amazing time saver.